What if I told you that an organisation is only as strong as the last tested backup? We all assume that data's backed up somewhere, right? In a cloud, on a server, in a neat little system we've never had to think about. But here's the real question. When was the last time you or your IT provider actually tested those backups? Not just check the dashboard, not hope for the best, actually restored something to prove it works. Because a backup you've never tested is just hope. And hope won't save you in a crisis. How can you be certain that the data isn't corrupted? Or that hidden bug, maybe from an undetected breach, just sitting in that backup, waiting for the worst possible moment to show itself? That's why immutable backups matter. Backups that can't be altered, encrypted, or quietly tampered with. This isn't about scare tactics, it's about awareness. It's about making sure the safety net you think you have actually exists. So if anything I've said has made you pause or sparked a I'm not sure moment, that's exactly what these conversations are for. And we're always here if you want a sanity check where you stand.